how to create page in Webflow. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create a page in Webflow. That is your Webflow site. Okay. The first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account, just like I have done here. And once you've logged in, the next thing is to select the site that you want to add a new page on by clicking on the open designer option on the site. So once you click on that, you'll be directed to another page, and then on that page your site would load. Just wait patiently for it to load. Yeah, so once it has loaded, this is your home page, this is your site page, sorry. And once you're on this site, the next thing to do is move over to the left side of the screen where you see some options, right? Such as the add element icon, the page icon, etc. So our focus is on pages, so just click on pages. Once you click on pages, another box will be displayed, right? Showcasing static page, CMS collection page, image pages, etc. At the top part of the pages tab, you see the option create new folder, create new page. So go ahead and click on create new page. Once you click on create new page, you'll be taken to the new page settings. Here you have to title the name of the page. For example, if it's shop, then you have to select a folder. Currently there is no folder, as I have not made any folder, but if you've created any folder before, by clicking on the icon next to the new page icon, the folder will be displayed there. So you can just select the folder, and then website access control. Do you want it to be public, or do you want it to be for specific users? Add the site plans, CEO settings, etc. Then if you want to turn this off or turn this on, but before you can turn it on, you have to ensure that you put in a meta description here. You have to ensure that you filled in all of the other fields. Then here, for the open graph title, just fill in all of these settings, and then once you're done, you click on the create option located by the top part of the box. And once you click on it, the page will be created automatically. It is that simple. Okay, so go ahead and create as much pages as you want to today. Thanks for watching.